My name is Jacklyn Commodore, Advocacy Officer for Non-State Actors Ghana. NSA Ghana is a coalition of NGOs, individuals and other stakeholders who advocate for issues around health in Ghana. COVID-19 affected the antiretroviral treatment and service delivery in some parts of Ghana, which led to NSA Ghana advocating on the stockouts of ARVs since some PLHIVs did not have access to medication and defaulted. To defeat COVID-19, let us protect the gains achieved in the HIV, TB and malaria response to save lives. We must unite to fight. Thank you.